Yeah, I recorded for my kids. My son's on here.
Anybody have a fire starter?
Who's texting you?
Sean is pushing me the fuck off, dude.
It's too big.
You have to go like this. No, put it the other way.
Where'd it go? Where's it at? You shut it off. Oh, there it is. Who's gone?
Ashley, hello.
Hi, Sissy. Hey.
Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Oh, no. Sit up. Sit up.
No, I'll put my little thing in here. We gotta find it.
Oh, there you are.
You got it.
I'm like, you know what? The judge's not here. I'm just like, show up Friday, 20 minutes early, and we'll be good. Right.
Oh, love you.
Why aren't you around your neck?
There's only a patient around it.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Ew, ah. Ew, ah.
Yeah, Firefly. Why are you looking at my face?
You're being recorded.
No. Wow! Ow, my freaking...
It's a good picture from down there.
Yeah.
I'm done recording. Bye, I love you kids.